Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all fine. Guys, आज जो मैंने इस वीडियो बनाई है ये है सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे इन 4 तोतों के लिए जो मैं नए आज ही ख़रीद के लाया हूँ. 4 yellow parrots on their stick, and these parrots are well fed. As you can see, यहाँ पे इनके खाने के लिए बाजरे पानी भी है. As you can see, the reflection means it is water. One more time, water, full of water. I'm really upset for that guy because his eye, but he is beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. As you can see, they're sitting. I disturbed him, so that's why he's not sitting in this. But yeah, this is all of my 4 parrots. These are very lovely parrots, and I just bought them today. So okay guys, I will end this video because I am disturbing them. So Allah Hafiz.